Hi guys, my name is Kofi Owusu-Bediakoh. I'm the CEO and founder of Learn West Africa Limited. I'm a teacher, I'm a researcher, a public speaker, and I like to motivate young people to be able to achieve what they hope and aspire to become in the future. I've been teaching for close to 10 years. My main specialty has been with teaching mathematics and other quantitative subjects, statistics and etc. And I took an interest in trying to get students to appreciate mathematics and the way it works around their environment and in the places that they find themselves. And I've always sought to expand that ability into generally helping students to overcome the challenges that they may have in learning, and also looking for effective ways to help teachers and also other colleagues in the industry to also enhance their skills in teaching and learning. That's essentially what I do in my life. I like to read. I read a lot. I like to read. I like classical music. My favorite musician is Beethoven. Yes. I think Africa needs a new paradigm. When you go across Africa to the east, Kenya, Uganda, you go to the South Africa, down to West Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, you see massive enrollment of students in our senior high schools. Massive enrollment of students. Many of them in so many fields of arts, science, people loving biology, chemistry, the raw arts. It's there. We have a huge workforce in our youth. The only problem that I think that confronts us as a people is that we've not been able to sufficiently bring to the fore all the concepts in teaching and learning that we've got through the training colleges and our training institutions to the maximum impact of the students. That I think is a major problem. There are so many principles of teaching and learning that we go through when we go to our schools, but you don't really see it reflected in the way students are taught. I think that sufficiently hampers the way students are able to come into an appreciation and also bring to life the things that they are supposed to learn as far as their education is concerned. That I think is one of the difficulties. The other is that we have not been able to also take advantage of the emerging trends in technology. Yes, for example, the internet has been with us for most part of the new millennium. Likewise, there's this social media of YouTube, Twitter, and other forms of digital tools. How exactly we've been able to use those digital tools, also the internet, and all these electronic platforms to be able to enhance teaching and learning has not really been given much prominence in the way we've gone about our education curriculum. And I think that seriously has hampered the way we would have otherwise had our youth being able to expand their potential and also doing a lot of wonderful things for the continent in general and also for West Africa in particular. These I think that we need to have a look at and work around it to be able to make sure that all the youth in Africa are able to come out to reach the goals that they set for themselves, and also to be able to contribute their quota to the way Africa hopes to overcome and do a lot of things positively in the world. Learn West Africa. Learn West Africa. Well, we are a body and a group of dedicated individuals that are committed to helping students to have this kind of enhanced experience that we are talking about. We seek to bring to the fore effective and best practices of teaching and learning, have students having that particular field and helping them to be able to unearth all those wonderful talents that they may have. Much more prominently is that we think that the time has come that there has to be a revolution. And this revolution has got to do with taking advantage of the contemporary technological tools, principally the web, the social media tools, and transforming them, utilizing them in a way that can really enhance teaching and learning. That is what Learn West Africa seeks to do. So at our place, we make use of current technology social media, e-learning platforms, in so many forms that we think that we can help the students to. So we are a group of dedicated people that we are just committed to making sure that our students are able to achieve what they have to achieve and can achieve. The future. I think that the future is very bright. The future is very bright for all the students in West Africa, particularly the high school students. The future is very, very bright. I think with the emergence of the technology and the way things are going, we think that we can see a much more enhanced way of teaching and learning in the near future. So for Learn West Africa, we are just having that as part of our goals. In fact, a very reachable for us and long-term goal that in the near future, we should have all of our students being able to access the opportunities that are available and should also be available for every student in the West African continent. So be it teaching and learning, going into arts, the vocation, the technical courses, science, maths, you name it. Students should be able to learn them sufficiently and efficiently with the e-learning platforms and also with the technological tools, apart from the traditional methods. Also, when it comes to guidance and counseling, when it has to do with career choices, someone wants to be a teacher, another wants to be a doctor, a lawyer, whatever profession that they want, the students need to have the opportunity to have a one-stop center where they can have all this information readily available, 24-hour teacher support, and that is what you can expect from Learn West Africa in the coming years. Our goal is to be able to help everybody, teachers, peers, students, and parents, to be able to reach that height that we all destined and hope to attain. That is our future. We encourage all of you, the parents, the students, the students out there, the teachers, to come on board. Visit our website, learnwestafrica.com. Our social media handles are available. Just go there, access all the content that are available, and share with us your views and thoughts on how you think that we can improve what we do. But we hope to take this giant step, this giant leap in the African continent with all of you. We wish you all the very best of success, and we hope to keep working with you at Learn West Africa for now and the future to come.